So we've got another GR Yaris in today with us, just for the Eventuri carbon air intake kit. So the customer just wanted a bit more noise really, just a bit more induction noise. And Eventuri is supposed to be the best on the market. So we thought we'd do a before and after on our dyno to show you what power gains you actually get from the Eventuri air intake kit. I mean, it's one of the most expensive intake kits on the market, but it looks fantastic. The quality is really, really good. So the car itself has only got an exhaust and a GPF delete pipe. So they give a little bit extra power anyway, and the customer's already had it remapped somewhere else. So the first thing we'll do is put it on the dyno as it is with the standard airbox and see what power it makes. Okay, so that's the first power run done. It's made 215 wheel horsepower, which is an estimated, let's have a look at that. So it's an estimated 258 brake horsepower at the flywheel. That's actually less than a standard car would make. So there's something very wrong somewhere. So I imagine it's the map itself, something wrong there. So we're going to put the Eventuri carbon air intake kit on now and see what difference it makes. So that's the dyno run done with the Eventuri kit fitted, and it's made quite a big difference in power, much bigger than I thought it would be actually. So it's now making 244 wheel horsepower, which is approximately 295 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So that's a gain of about 30 wheel horsepower, which is a lot just for an intake kit. So the Eventuri intake kit, it might be expensive, but it works really, really well. So highly recommended. So we've advised the customer to do one of our Ecotech remaps, which with that fitted, it should bump the power up to about 270-ish wheel horsepower, so about 320, 330 horsepower roughly. If you want your GR Yaris tuned or maintained, please get in touch.